No, because there's broken glass inside, yes? Okay. Now, chef, can you hold your... Oops. Okay, don't press too much. Okay. You could secure this eye pad or eye dressing with your rolled bandage. Okay. Remove your hand, chef. Okay. Now, right eye is injured, left eye no injury. Tell me, should I cover the left eye, yes or no?
No.
Should I cover the left eye?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. Now, all of you, cover your right eye. Okay? Do not move your head. Just try to look up, look down, left, right. Tell me, is your right eye also moving? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, hands down. It means two eyes are moving at the same time. If I will not cover the left eye of chef and he sees someone stealing his food, what will happen? The left eye will following that together with the right eye. So what happens? Right eye broken glass, keep on scratching, keep on bleeding. So tell me, should I cover the left eye?
Yes.
Yes, okay. You will only cover one eye if it is just irritation or redness. Okay? But with foreign object, cover both eyes. Kalas. Uy. Do not put cotton on the nose, huh?
It's difficult now to move.
Hey, I think that's why you should be there. Because you cannot see anymore. Mr. Kamal, after you help chef, do not say, okay, chef, I've done my first aid. Yalla, go. Are we clear?